how to clear your iPhone clipboard storing private informations. So in here, I'm going to first of all open my notes, and if I try to copy this text right here, I can now simply paste it however I want. So I'm going to paste it 1 time, 2 times, and I can keep on going. So I don't want that. I want all of my clipboard to be clear. For that, what you're going to do is go back and open your shortcuts application, just like this. And then from here, tap on gallery. After doing that, tap on the search bar and then start typing clear all clipboard. Here you can see clear all clipboards right here. Simply tap on the plus icon right here. Then it will be added to our shortcuts. Now we're going to go back and see in here, you can see this is our shortcuts, which has been added in here. So whenever you want to clear your clipboard, all you need to do is simply tap on the cross icon right here. Then you'll get this pop-up, tap on allow. And like that, all of your clipboards will be cleared. I'm going to show you guys again. I'm going to again paste or copy all of these just like this. Now in here, I'm going to go back and open my shortcuts and then run this again. And now when I go back and try to paste it, here you can see I cannot paste it anymore. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.